Hey, what is up guys? Express Design here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this poster. It's a Back to the Future poster, everyone knows that. It's not really a tutorial, it's more like a watch along while I commentate and explain how I do it. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and turn that bell on. Follow me on Twitter, and if you want, I have a Discord server now, you can join it. If you want more content like this, let me know in the comments down below, and yeah, let me show you how I did it. So the first thing I did is find a perfect picture that I like, to really fit what theme I'm going in. Then I made my brush flat and give the car some shadows. Try to remove the reflection of the window. You can really tell it's bothering me. So I tried to cover that up and make it as good as possible. Now here I'm trying to light up the car with the same lighting that the picture has in the background. I really give the car a more feeling that it's really there. Try and make it a bit darker in some parts and make a bit shadows, and really give like the car is really there. Really try to focus on that the car is there. Like the background picture has a green tone-ish, to put it on the car as well. Here I wanted to make sure that the lights on the back of the car are lighting up. Now here I wanted to make sure that the background is blurred, so the focus is on the car and not on the background. So really gotta find the perfect blur amount and the perfect angle. Here I wanted to give some lens flares on the car to really give that shine that is really that the backlights are turned on. And then I made sure that the front lights are on as well, and made sure that there's lights on the road, like the car is really turned on and the lights are on. Now here I wanted to make two focus lights, a blue and a red one, so you really see where the lights is coming from, and I wanted to show them that it's from the left more blue and from the right is more red. Then I wanted to put some particles and smokes on it, so that really gives the smoke is like from the fire from the car, from he just went back in time, you know. It's just some more particles and everything, just makes it look a lot better. So now I'm putting up some lightning. Lightning always makes the sky nice, and if you know Back to the Future, you know there's lightning in the movie. This is the first camera raw filter on this particular picture, and just try to make the lighting a bit better and the shadows a bit more shadowy. Really make it fit. Make the colors pop out more. Now here I wanted to do some, like the bottom text on every poster you see. I don't know how it's called, credit text, poster credit text, something like that. I'm really trying to find like the one that they use on the real poster. So now here I'm making the text. The text really took a large part of my time. I really wanted to make something special. I don't want to do just the same thing that they used in the movie. I wanted to make a 3D text, and this took me a long time. Now here you see me adding some extra lightning on the 3D text, and this really gives it like, it's really 3D and not just 2D with slapped with a background on top of it. Just give your text some lightning. So here I'm trying to fit in the text with the poster, give it some more effects on it to really fit it, the theme and everything. And here I'm using Camera Raw filter on the text, because always Camera Raw filter makes your color pop out more. Now I'm giving the car also the same kind of color as the lightning, so it's really there and giving the light on the car as well. Now this is the second time I'm using Camera Raw filter on this Back to the Future poster, and really try to pop out the colors a bit more. Really give it that all around nice look. So here I'm trying to give that kind of retro, kind of old school look on the poster. So yeah, that's it. That's how I made the Back to the Future poster. I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. If you want more stuff like this and how I made shit like this, not really a tutorial, more like a speed art, but with explanations and shit, and how I made everything. So yeah, let me know if you want more like that, stuff like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.